nkɔfo free baby maya afọ na omu frɛ ya na asụsụ enku omu ti se table ka sɛ de adane pinsu akwa da ne diabo na no ano entɔkɔ na esi ye no enipa mienu ɛyɛ ade sɛ ye di wo kɔ hospital sɛ kɛde tutuo bɛ mu ma ebi mu ɛho ɛkeka ma ye de wo kɔ bu hospital ɛno akiri so no MPP amanye ko ni nipa baako ɛna NDC nipa baako ɛyɛ ade sɛ sisi abno ka sɛ wɔn nso omu mienu nyina ɛda police fo kate san sɛ entɔkɔ na ɛkɔ so no apolice fo no susu sɛ wo mienu ɛna timi kɔ fa asa entɔkɔ na ba ya sisi abno ka sɛ no ya ti omu mienu nyina nso so ɛde wo mapa ko hyema ɛno nso so ya de kɛkɛ ababa to de sisi ade de nana entɔkɔ no gusu ɛkɔ so ɛne no ye hu die be se san sɛ NDC fo no awia ta so pa sɛ kia ne ke wo mo twe ma mfanifo ana sɛ MPP amanye ko no ma emfani pa free baby ma mere na no mo kyerɛ sɛ obi baba be transfer no kura na ɛwɔ sɛ nipa no atena empɛsua no so bɛta bosumi ensia etwemu ko na we die wutimi ho sɛ wo mo tira ho baby ada na so so no wo mo baba be register ko bi sɛ wo mo sɛ bia pɔte kura na o mo yɛ first transfer no dia ba no ɛwɔ he kura na enya de sɛ wo mu eti sɛ na akwa ya ho sɛ de ama endi sɛ amanye ko na wo mo so sɛ chinchire wo mo ntwe ma MPP fo no emfa sa ni pay ma na eno anwa sɛ bi afie mu sɛ enye maburu no ko na yo mesi first ma me penifo ate so bu fie ni aburu adiotia no ya de sɛ du wo mu support endi sɛ amanye ko sɛ wo mo so antwe mo sɛ NDC amanye ko no mo so sɛ o metimi ababa je ahafano ɛyɛ free nkwaso mu ɛde akɔ abota asase no so eti man penifo atese omu free adiosia ɛkɔ adiosia no mu no omu nyina ya ade so obani abra omu support maburo no so omu nyina mu akɔpem sɛ MPP amanye ko no ebe gai nipa na omu twa omu free baby no ɛde aba hɔ no eti na ya ɛno ade na akwa da ni bresem e jama NDC amanye ko na so mpanifo bi no mu ahafo no South Province kanso na akwa ya ni bresem jama mu san se wo mu prefer se NDC amanye ko candidate e fa no Abu Sadiq no o ma di ahafo no anim e fa no nkobo sa so
na ebene wo ye nsamtwereni for no Southwest constituency ni mu unim dynamics ne abato se ne ho nsem esi etie sa voter transfer ya ekoso yi no kreso se unse MPP for twinipa e the free other constituencies e Kumase e ba ho e ba be register e ba be transfer mu vote aba ho ampa no kresa
me da fe na se transfer ya omuyi e sha no na nya de se first amanye ko ni mienu no baase na ebeka bete na first bete 7 days you know me hu se kasa eye first MPP amanye ko candidate no eye na bia no wo mudi ni fa free baby no eye de eba baby a wo do mo free ba no eye ade se omu free constituency mu a wo do mu ba obudo mu free Kumase na ya na do mu ba etiano na ama
ebe gira hwansa as to say omu free constituency ni ma na so omu free mu no de eno de minu mienu ye ntimi enkyere saa so ho e bia na ofri ho batoti Kumase ana meboa
fa na wo mu MPP ko ni kase wo di omu free Kumase omu nyina free ahafo na omu do mu ye de transfer
mo enti yen ka ne saa dan se ye be kase wa bra omu free constituency ni mu so ho enti to asoma me na MPP for candidate edi ni peba eba be transfer mu vote wo hono no mete se video ni mu no so no na obi susu gina kire se NDC for so fani pani bi free other areas edo omo eba sanete
akwakoye game a wo mu mienu nyina omu play san sense wo hwe bia ebi mu free ababa be registration na ya de se enye no ntu omu first omu mienu nyina no na so no omu mienu ayo ma je se obi apese o ye de owe ni eti omu mienu nyina but ya kwakwo yi hu dia ma first NDC empanyifo na no mu ye agitation ni nyina che se ebi mu ho a wo hu no bia poti a wo mu efiri wo constituency ma o ma yo ma je se oba be transfer no o se emra ne kire se obi baba be transfer na wo se wo tena ba bi Saba the corner at first I was feeling careful. But for me, you know, and Yadia Quaco, who Jamo, Uno, Ubia, for Chibano, Yadia, Uno, and Guru Baby Potia, Ubu now, Ubu for the policy. And now Quacopa first, and before I get back, and this is 24 and 24 more. Yakwa for Dosso, and 24 more and this American. Mamma, but more is used to we never. I know more about Tajana airport, Yakwa for Cobra. Oh, everything about name Brenner Abahono.
Even Mamino was now before Sao Becono. Now, yeah, share 2020 elections, you know, parliamentary, you know, yet it is a difference of what NPP. Any NDC in term our for no Southwest constituency. Our for no Southwest and any idea Mancranso and I said and only Mancranso. And no why na MP or no.
And none of Johnson
okay,
member of parliament for
Johnson Kwekwodu, a member of parliament, no. Okay, Matisse say difference no voter difference in a war MPP name NDC in term 1,002 and okay. 2020 elections no.
A little over 1,002 now. We move at the BT, you know. And no nama NDC every day. So which means I don't know what the seat in the other as to woman some. And no nama when you are brass to say no. So that 2 constituencies million in Anokrana. That for the southeast, and they have for the southwest. Difference said that north to
okay.
We know, and you know, and I wouldn't. As I hear who I know who Jama every Jama you put in and it's that first I'll follow southwest, yeah, I'll follow southeast, you know. NDC filling in new candidates are ultimately pull surprises. And no nama every Jama you put in who says, we move to a Libya and the Assembly to move.
Eben Tobo NDC candidates, you know, a new Meboa.
2020 NDC filling in new candidates are.
Okay.
Omo efforts a concert MP now motorcycle.
Tobo and Johnson Kwekwodu 2020 elections no NDC candidate omodene bae no na oye new candidate.
Oye new candidate awon Kwekwodu boy.
Ena police a vote no a difference about ne Johnson Kwekwodu ntem no ebeye a little over 1,002. Okay.
Every German is going to express who say, I was so mobile with a foot for the back. That says, so I want to the Papu Frama. A branch of free every German is going to move on. Everything that you see today, the two moves. I don't know what so far,
okay,
a branch of one to two elbow France power. We want to sit there, one to make the Pulu vote no across. But every German is going to be other one to
na candidate na NDC de ne ba 2020 no ono an almost also de na ba 2024
and one almost had the neighbor 2024 and and one almost had the neighbor we move to Chicago and the Brenna Abasa constituencies in
okay Matthias and sa constituency nim ena MPP de Elvis Osemensa dapa eba no
Elvis Osemensa dapa eba
ena ahafo no south east de no eye Frederick Kofie Champon Fred Achimeboa
sa pepe ono so oko
okay
and no tina any time you go who say we mu no ni nyina ye amono fo amefa say we mu new contestants but old contestants NDC parliamentary candidates o ma ta fili o ma ta do ma da bi mu no o mu susu say o mu betima je teach ne dey free every before sometimes say o mu do mu ba foforo o mu ti bi adwuma e ma o mu vote no in terms of parliamentary wise every that course no
Matthias
e no ti no mu susu say o betima je teach no
Matthias even mamemfa onsi ya why mamemfa onsi ya medase kosoana eti ene ebeto aso exercise ne beto aso meboa
but I bet was Mate and then after running Nana Yaw Boamah. And you bring the back and my own cofa a friend say more policemen ever and my own ever 80 Nero sɛ ɔmo ama apolisifoɔ no asa anɔɔso a ɛbɛgye nsɛm no koraa.
Mate. Eben ode mate minim se yedi nkomo ede Ashanti Regional Police Commander ene ne nkrofo mate omo ebetu wanamo afa no South East ena ya omo ya registration no matwofo bi twetwe se kan ne ade wo ho no on
mate police commander ba ho eso no
Regional Police Commander Abrokwa
wo ba ho eso agensem.
No, her number still like Jane Samo.
Because no point plenty here. And a man before.
Almost Montias.
Almost yes, and go for the free baby, or Baba, you want Baba Brace, and almost yes.
Okay. Ebia net regional commander Enro Obano, one fan, who say a de Cassia be a no bar or beba. Oba no vimu ama bia ide enti ebe ma memfa osia why ma memfa osia medase pa yenua Ebenezer usu ansa etu yenkra e de free afo no south west afo no south east ahafo no tepa e de ekọ eye ahafo mantam no mu e na watu yenkra no enti weyi eye de esiye we kra de duabo no enye enra nkwa na afo no south west o mu bodua o. This week nyina omo de ajeji wo mo ho saa MPP Bobby na NDC Bobby omo nyina wa ya suru wo ya obi afi se obi ebe take advantage of the exercise na ekoso no na de yen ababedu ba bi a yedro nti 2020 elections no se ohwe figures no a MPP ni NDC afo no southwest constituency no yetete se na a little over 1200 na a little over 1200 eno and akofa tension e de ababegina ehonum nti enye mankransonko oko afo no south easter ehonum MPP presente yenua Frederick Kofie Champon Fredachi ehonum soso a ehososo enye asem ketwa kra enye adeketwa ewo ehonum ni nyina eye friend say voter transfer exercise ya ekosi enche yebeko the Greater Accra Regional Police Command yate say NDC supporters no masia eno mo masia pe ho no mo e demanded the release of Nakoyo omo demanded the release of Nakoyo and anopay mahu se mampani da John Dramani Mahama ne Facebook ne ne Twitter page ne so and mo friend X ho good X ne so wakasa call it on the IGP say immediately omo and release the NDC candidate to Senya East omo and release no na the ekoso no omo ani enye ho ye say ye be call ahafo no ye be call to Senya East na yakwakudi enkomo nti we or say the 2024 presidential candidate for the opposition NDC, John Dramani Mahama, has called on the Ghana Police Service to immediately release the detained NDC parliamentary candidate for Wutu Senya East constituency in the central region. Your friend na koyo. Therefore, na mame enko ahomano so na yeni enkomo kakra emra. Mame enko ahomano so na yeni enkomo kakra emra nti sene na me hyase na me mama hunu pictures and videos from the Greater Accra Regional Police Command from Enra Najo edibesi anopei NDC for omo akobo dompem e the Greater Accra Regional Police Command no mame nko ma no so na me Michael Otin eni enkomo Michael Otin ye NDC secretary ewo Ewutu Senya East. Michael, good morning. Mike, good morning. Michael, good morning. Oh. Observe for ye hwese ye benya Michael Otin ewo ahomano so na yene no edi enkomo na yene no edi enkomo ndebisa for weyi Ewutu Senya East na me ka kire mo say last week Sunday na yeteye say Honorable Mavis our Kumsin ne ba ubi awone sekan no emza for mame enhwe Michael, good morning. Michael, good morning. Emza for ye say ye benya Michael ewa homa no so na yene no edi enkomo na yene no edi enkomo Michael Oten constituency secretary wo mame Michael mpacho otemenka
Mecho nkapa opani
mo na mpacho ho ye
obade na daru mo de achen no pawe
mo Michael say una wo ye NDC secretary wo Awutu Senya East Kaswa
no kre
mo na no kre say the NDC parliamentary candidate wo Awutu Senya East na call yo you say police for arrest no Emma from last night benyina no NDC supporters mo call it IGP say enokrasi ya che no mamisa sa answer enokrasi ya che no
opani nokre say omachi the parliamentary candidate for Awutu Senya East Honorable Felix Nakoyo Okuno enra
na ne boni awaye ye die edi no waye
em say the AC registration center the last time em say eba news mu ebeye nsem bebre no eno ho ana omugina so na omode the omoye no the fact ni say Sunday no after the riot na AC was center no Sunday no okoho na okoho na one mpenifo ADDD sawoso no na yemiano mestifo omo na omo adjacent ho na fa nso na impression omo create me say yen mum na ye tata wom they took over the center, start all our agents, and on that day your agent bakukura entumi anye den anye adwuma on that day nti okoho no mo rush no de na as a responsible citizen I was say obon ho by looking at the history of atitene ehunhuna the certain member of parliament ordinary from for all these years into no sebi emra no man ho kwan say to be ode be bon ho ban na o license that no and you know omu kopie sa so e won kan me no po na tete no mo de ewura russian no a omu kopie so no so won the car na enye say okuretu a ode ba abetreti they went to take the gun from his car and omu de call police station. Luckily now baby on police station omu de no call na how so no register to no and the man for her personal protection and omu take caution statement na omujano okoni baby that was around Sunday na ye ne chire no enu si ye chire ne wa na oma friend no ombra police headquarters na oni nkofo etu anamo akọ ehwa na oma friend 2 times the third time no eye nre ya mo friend na willingly oba ya afi mo say meditating no mo ma on sign ko but ye bisa Ghana police ni say sisi ano unlawful say ubenya a registered gun ana because si ye bisa omo a say charge dan pa na akoyo mo de bono sa echi amose machine ya obi entumi man any information say waye boni we enintina ye bono kwedu obi entumi man ye bisa say muntumi man charge so amode abo no a one reason my information ye nyane say order from above say a crime be as no omuditain no
okay na Michael emra na koyo police for etuo no na ehye no ho center ho na say na ewo hemfa police for say she was in possession of a firearm no
ayetu a edaka mu otutu kwan there was an MPR Mankesim ho baby
Yes.
People accosted him and killed him.
Mekai.
Yes. Into Obia, Ujina such a position.
Infantiman. Yeah.
Send your mechanical current MP out this work as well. We will run with it several times. It is all true when it comes one license send your Mrano, Exreno, sir, on your fambo who buy if I saw Eboniana.
Na Michael A. Ain't he from Enra police for a invite na onwa koye ofini pem e koye no and a police for achenwa as at this morning munim baby a owomeboa. Na mo call police station no police station be no report here. Is it the Greater Accra Regional Police Command yana?
Or report to headquarters first.
Okay.
You know, I'm saying order from above. No, let us. I idea Abama Oma planning. You know, almost delay. No, Jinaha, Pahat, Naha, Kotoha, Meba, we Kotodia, Faha, we see her to say about 6. And some almost indicate teacher and say you are going to detain her. And I need to moving from police headquarters. I didn't call Cantonment Police Station.
Okay. Na Michael time by na call your a report to police station or mu delay na kobo 6 or more editing no.
Or report and not at 10 o'clock.
Okay.
And not at 10 o'clock. No more delay na my dear science.
Enti you know kasa no pay our Cantonment Police Station Wakra.
Le patroane.
Na NDC supporters amasi up say omo release na call you omo ni police for ne de ho na.
The patron if we step order from above any Ghana police. Omo ni NDC e wutu senya east endi ni ye. Share openi yet your mind open obi ayi tuo e wo center. Atutuo pay. Assign admit on live radio say on no tutuo no. If I told you detain no.
Why no a?
Honorable our concern.
That be no yes no.
I'm talking of past elections here.
2020 elections no.
Yes.
Okay.
If I told you detain na.
Okay.
Obi yi tuo abotuo akanipa. Not even 1 day in detention. Obviously, they need to than Kutano, a licensed weapon from the very police station. Why am I licensed? The true man. On no idea that come away, and yes, Kutanumpo, that come no one got some comfort in a Mukoye. Okay. If I just any time you know, you don't to say, why not? I will see detaining.
Okay. And Jamaica, as at this morning, there now call your Ed Associate Police Station or Cantonment Police Station, no? Yes, now call your Ed Associate Cantonment Police Station, and we are going to mass up there this morning. Yeah, catch the party. I said, you move to the Cantonment Police Station to ensure say justice is done. Okay. Because at the end of the day, you Ghana for. Emra ewo Ghana ha no ewo se eboje nyina ho ban ntumi nkoba se obi de ono ne de ba ne de no eye even more grievous ne de ono de not even an invitation to the police station. Now Michael, order from above no na motete ana efiri wan ho why na ma order no from above no na motete ana e ho asema na yoshi bi sa ho an so mo nkyerɛn police one nkyerɛn that order na free above no because you call police headquarters. The IGP is the highest authority at the police headquarters. You know, order be free show. Then we free but you be some police one to me and train. Okay. Police one to me and train. Mate, this is clear injustice. It is clear injustice. So we are down the knee. Let's say, who say, yes, you can say, no, say, the me, because say, ene, obi to me to a premipa. Now you jano, not even a call.
na so bi to a ono wa register e da ni ka mo gbebi okobia na e bo no so ban se ne be obi mbe attack no ono mum no yo obi a e wo say invite me bi keni na Ghanaians should be the judge.
Michael, mamena wasia no pay bibia ni e besa so aba ye da sepa why yo abusa for we Michael Otain ena yene no akwakode enkomo no wo ye the NDC constituency secretary wo Ewutu Senya East ena wachechire nsemu no mame emema bedwafo akwaba na straight yene enkomo na Japan or say Libya good morning, keep up the good work. Osa Kwame Ajenim Boating or say good morning Libya and I'll pay me shamo live from Boma in their half region or Sentia and come honorable Pius Opoku incoming MP Tano North and Otiano Ajiman Lawrence Kofi or say yaw me share show no live from Italy Brescia and Amewa me share show no Piaga or say good morning yaw it is possible yo mate Jack Lord Monster Pro or say the MPP candidate is a galamsey guru in that region so he's capable of doing anything okay minim nkomokra okay look creative Nunana CK or say more fire yo yate okateche kwame usu or say yaw enkomona mudi no for no southwest no it is not true now in 2020 elections there was an independent candidate na ofri MPP no nya 11,302 and NPP nya 17,436 and untinema NDC candidate na close gap nsa no yo mate okateche kwame kokusu that say Bernard Brefo BB from Offenso Mase or say the NDC or say all their ways and means will let them lose 2024 elections. NPP forever. Daniel Kobe Nice or say AK Kwabnatewia Triabodom Zungu whilst Dr. Mahmoud Baumia is seriously campaigning. John Dramani Mahama is fighting with the EC. With the TZ span, what you bremi you. Meda say also so bet me the messages ni be aba. Bet me do the aba na yakin kind the amount and no pay and dan kwe nyina hini also yaw da ho ye tietie mu na ye for me opinions teacher constitution your mo say or say Ghana for ye nya hwe pa when dealing with NDC it was omo dangerous they are no ordinary and we also the din the Vasco na ohesho no from Kaswa or say yaw good morning Vasco Kaswa to say the way muslim may take Kaswa asem no ye hu say Kaswa ye as a war zone the way exit wasem no na ama for yam sisi wo about Kaswa ne nipa ete ho no mo amonhwe mo ho so ye emame anopai team ni nyina set mamenko na yeni enkomo anopai Safo Raphael Patrick the Asante Regional Youth Organizer na Matesiese Vice President will be hitting town on Monday and I say Sunday mama I mean bekon hono mabusa no Ralph good morning yo morning
good morning
na fie boko
ba no ne nkwala ni nyina ho ye
e dey rade ase
me ira bawa ni nana ma kusua brema kusafo nkwala ni nyina wo fie
ye dey rade ase
so chiaw
mejo mo so
me se na no pa ye hwe o mu nyina so wo fie hwe
sa
ai o hu se me da no pa
okay
me ba SOMPA dia SOMPA TV dia ne kire se nkwala ni nyina atifie na o mo hwe na o ma me ti o mo nchen ti e ba sa na me dru fie sa na and ensem no
mo musebusa questions
ensem no akoma mo anu da na o kan ha ni sei anti da bia o betra TV so sa ozo you conscious
ozo you sem kwala ni TV show
ozo hwe won nsem
eyepa
ozo nsem ni ye pa
yes
ti ma o ye responsible
that's it
cautious
that's it
ti bi hunu de ntia me marketing we gufie pa na obi di abato be ye ntokwa o
yeah
because that no say we mistake in entokwasi a bia me de metimi adwane o na me bayi ka chire ko kusafo ana masafo awura kusi asafo na me yire to me ma me so aba aberewa me nu ama
wo fa hen
na me kwa me dwane mpo je me ho a Oma ka meje o machi no me ye ne den.
It's true.
Ti me giri say politics ba bi aduro no nei. Eni say o twese kan ansa na obi ato aba ma ho. Eni say o go for ballot box. Even though said the MPP ye per power, ye per say tena bam. Ya o maka bio. Me say MPP be fra konwam na Ghana ye benya asumdua me pene sa. Dan say MPP be tena konwa so aye kontokwa. I don't think say anybody, no single soul, as you come nipa ba akumpo ansa na obi anya tumi. Nti I think I disagree with omo jidis about to nyina ye ntokwa no. Ya we na no pay ansa na meba na metie interview ana wo ye no from Afana Southeast. I think say it's a topic.
Yes. And wait, but remember just a minute. Remember just a minute na me sisi me menko na me ni laye abote tache ni laye afuete okay kantamanto manche the tent kantamanto manche meboa katamanso manche
yeah
mo ni nyankopon ya adomo a ya te se echina de asante ne otumfo visite gamanche tradition etesai ene entotia moye etesai
me say I have a relationship with the government. I have a relationship with the government. Because my mother is an Ashanti.
Okay.
And my mother comes from Jabi.
Okay.
You know, to Sibo any cousin.
Okay.
And something back Accra with the family.
Wow.
But the invitation of Gamanche, any coming to Accra, is coming to. I think he was invited by the Gamanche within the Gamashi area, within the proper Accra area. I mean the Accra proper. Gamanche is also a member of the Regional House of Chiefs, and I think normal arrangement is being done.
Okay.
Because it's not coming to the whole of Greater Accra Chiefs, you know.
Okay.
Gamanche will extend invitations to the other paramount chiefs within the Greater Accra region to be part of the program.
Okay.
Yes, I hope that has been done right now because I have been in confinement. I've just been installed.
Okay.
So I've been in confinement.
Okay.
And I'm now coming out. So I don't know what arrangement been done so far.
Okay.
I normally attend the original House of Chiefs meeting with them.
Okay.
Because I always go with, when I was a regent, I always go with my paramount chief. And when they are to meet before even begin with the meeting, you know, I was always part of them. Because I've been a regional minister.
Yes,
so they give that respect to me.
Yes.
So I hope this arrangement is been done. I will find out and I will cross-check from the government office and even himself personally. Because I've not been able to talk to anybody.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
But besides that, I think I know. I heard some calls yesterday, so I know the grounds is being well organized for its coming. Me personally, no, I'm very happy because I've not seen Kumase Asantini in Accra for a long time now. I experienced the visitation of Otunfo Pokuware during the period of Rollins.
Yes, Otunfo Pokuware.
Yes, there was a trade fair opening, and then Otunfo came. There was a big gaba in front of the trade fair. It was Labadi. Otunfo Pokuware was there, and it was a very big program. And because I was very close to Rollins, I had a chance to even get closer to him at the time
because I was part of the organizers that arranged for the program. So I've always been hearing say, Asantehene should be visiting Accra more when there are programs, be it a government program in terms of DEBA and all those ones. She should be extended with invitation to come and be part of us through maybe government invitation. Now, maybe I'm fine because I've seen it in the past.
Okay.
So when anytime I come to him, I try to like worry him with it. Say, never know bank because he are not feeling. Besides doing everything, the display of chieftaincy, the display of so many things. Because when he arrives, I'm talking about what I've experienced in the past. So Asantehene do cry. The convoy alone, and even the people, it always happens in Kumasi. When people want to see in Accra.
Yeah.
We want to see in Accra periodically.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
So that we always enjoy his presence and all that.
Okay.
And Kumasi,
Mate. That's it. Everybody is laughing in the studio. That's it. Mate. That's it. Okay. First, in your friend Nilaye Afutagbu, the former Greater Accra Regional Minister, and Ohidekesiepa, our Katamanso, and Yenino Edin Komono. Osi
I think so. As I remember, Dr. Mudbo, we have visited. Because Santi could be here.
Oh yes.
You ever come on your Zembona Santi Zembo?
Oh yes. And ope our machina me share convoy name movie from Mensia. Now me the video no. E to have me and I'm say that's right. To me na concert.
Yow. And now Asantehene to afi Kumasi.
Yes.
Uko dwem kra ye nto ade.
Sunsum
kese bia free maka.
Yeah.
Me say da Asantehene be tu kwan.
Yeah.
See Asantehene akwantu kese se ya wotu yi.
Yeah.
And then me no be ko dwom ne nipa titi dwombo sa na ase dwanye na ase ne ye nto ade and na de ne obo nsesa omo kan scan so no obi e to obi go ne konkum enso se ye nto ade sunsum kese bia kata santemai so.
That's right.
Sunsum kese bia kata santemai so ene concran.
Yeah.
Dina de ankran dwabe so. Se de papa ne ka no. Santenehene concran ne. Be convoy ode ko ba se so mu nyina nko nyina filling station mienu mpo.
No on top of petrol ya sem ketwa. That's it.
You can imagine.
That's it.
And adehye egu sa ba sisi mu.
Yeah, ba sisi mu mo ko.
Obi abedidi, obi abetonzo,
omeda hotels. It's business mu a. Huge business no they call Accra.
Santenehene de concran.
O movie so o movie with thousands o. O movie with thousands. Asa. Bas ba ku gina se o to aduane a ni nyina asa. Aduane ni nyina.
Asema ni ka no. So wan nwini ankyerɛkyerɛ mu ankɔ adwene mu a wonte ase.
Oso no de ene feye se oba no na nipa na wo ne nkyɛn ne sanema no. Say no odwere ho bisa say no omufiri hin
denti ameso me ka say ma dwagu Asantema mu ni say nipa nyina ne nko me kodwe mu
Asantema. That's it. Yes.
And I think my principle asema maka we ase de be kai me ne say me say Santenehene to kwan bia Asantema sunsum firim edwadie mpo kɔ.
Yes.
Ko nipa Santenehene to kwan ye be wona Asantehene abaso akoto no maka sa ase mu said na hini wasi amana ye feeling kambomu a na no a ni gamanche ba Asantema afashe ya edini na
20 akwesi de kese ye
when papa ne ho fedo yeah government ne ho fedo
na me hu say o Kumase boy ne ne nyina na net Kumase as na say oh really wow
I don't mean ben no na me say me ko twamfo nyini ba ko ma nya kwanya I think say e be born asante ne o say to aba so say the was in kabomu edin na henie na ayefe edin kabomu unity ene mpuntuo aba tie na wo ko yeso wo haide sunsun yakoma ne adwen atachi dem ni twato Dr. Mamudu Baumia. Dr. Mamudu
na mami mo makwa benye. Mami mo makwa benye.
Doka kwaba ya santina sana me galo ni
doka kwaba
okowie na asem enya bia kabam ya
objection sustained objection sustained no I for you so
any ahwefo makane say edu meminda no pa the funniest radio program and TV program was Santimem SOMPA na we mebre betna ha we agree to disagree
yes
we are na kwata yes na yaw kana na asemi dia mintimi mani twem abra me nka bi wonim say me nyini ba na enema bebre o ha na mani nye ho
okay
like ahensem politics nyema bebre o ha na me weird life na me mpa ba me boni da bia ni se nyamam yo di4
okay
na sa pa
ka be senu kom
na me frao e bi ha na kakra te David ha na mo so che o school a yeah obeta
tawaso
e do nyame fo ne ringi na ansa na tawaso
o tie nie
because onyame frao pa onyame no ma no so single 330 single 330
masawa we no mama for tuju anopai single 330
uchana dia wa
ya mo yen try na no pay ni ready betime dia di weekend
very interesting by se wo hwa dia opim so aye wona henie mu a
yeah
ama wo ye babunu bi a wo foresight ya or attract to the traditional or to the chieftaincy
yeah
wa mana ya kono and gamanche hi said the rafu kan ye no I have just fallen in love with him so much. Say platform am also a minuamo gafo. I tell them say wo mu ye minuamo.
Yeah.
Na no metie gamanche interview with my sister station.
Yes.
Profile gamanche.
Yes.
He was also destined to be a king. Na Oshena or a radio personality.
Yes. Okay, an attachment to GBC.
Joy FM, sir. Doom FM, sir. Voice, you know.
Yeah. Yeah.
And we had the way was see comporting who am a chieftaincy and munyama bem.
Se meka ene wadi hininti yamamba na meka o mi those times na mo boss FM no.
Yes.
Na yekono ho ekudidi.
Yes.
Na okoni clean okay key clean company limited. Ekotino na yekwa akudidi amakabe ne Fred Chei ene Zuba.
Yes.
Zuba ne Zuba Francis Dodovi yakotino na yedidi amia bitibicho mudi mi
gamanche
today and sanity na Dodovi me programs manager
okay.
Na Zuba ye me marketing manager that time or Boss FM
yes.
Na ya me no mo na me say that time me fia na me say kumati and me say we ne wo azem ne mai geti
yeah opem so ama hini ayefe so we de ne toto adan hemfu bi hu a umama hini na ye more of violent competition.
Yeah.
There is no competition anywhere. Yeah. And Gamanche and also the arrival of Opim Show on my sister station Joy FM.
Yeah.
And say Friday as a Thursday and you
yeah.
Was say minua penini like or the gesture na okoye ye no enti ninu aketwa ne me ye ne little brother or younger brother me welcome no and me tie ne there was a booze or goose all over my body say wow I was saying egu me nyame nhira wo say ne yepe we me na makonwa so ahemfu nkyire no ebi di da bi achi the fact that say udie suana nkyere say onye den onye ohene yemfa ni die nye den emma de say ne fata no and opem so demonstrate e de akire wiase nyina say wo yo hempon empire ya bo ne say nyame ma no kwatenten nyame ma gamanche so kwatenten na yonkodo onuado enka bom a wo mu de ba Ghana mamu no yentimi sustain no enye den enko nanim na emre bi so after 25 years 50 years na nyame to ne nsa for pem so a the legacies me dem akaya when say my finance manager wo hopen nim enwuma oye I am short of words. Sure. Na na ma hini aya kon. So mo hini bi a wo tie me. E da from na ama mo young men ni na. Bra mi kro madam ngmase. Ka tie me hini no abo. Mo
picture way. Yes.
It is not about person min kuminya. So o ma
e bi di da bi achi o. Anye di bia.
Intellectual. Yeah, I'm short of words.
Yes. Very beautiful. Aye. Huh? Tell say you bet me Gamanche host no the palace and open to the public say up tonight. Okay, that's it. Yes. The official you bet me your passion and our you check it. Obi mo ya no pay na yetimi nko na go
yes eti ya dampenim for na say
mate dog Patrick etia mama mo achi na memo akwa ba
asem empemfo na kan nyina tama yusu ano yesu culture kaka
yeah
minim say ne omoda so ya
cultural studies
na ye culture edu ho no ma egwakwa schools ni nyina be sha na obi
ai
o say edu ana obeti asuru muntie ma asase nyeko say ho wa rekasa ma ho me ba mo nyini ono de wato me sosa na ntwe nim ni ra rumu so nim ni ra di diaraka ama Israel do onimi ai onimi aye na nanu me onimi o
when you are nyom kro tina okay
and am I see you
wow
and am I see you eti e cha sia bete nemremu when e wi aje ne wa bam pese wa mo kumedi ma ayo ane na fie da money o na fie you want to barbesu
highlight yes
it was an interesting idea.
Oh yes
Boa man gano boa man nebeye yo Ghana ya de shima onyame ashura yen Ghana se beye ya ne free me ni wo Muma ya muwa oh my God no na ye culture
yes
let me be say you
wow
so mutayen
anya na maba be say no don't feel ega o omumienu na be say no omumienu na be say no
ya no obodo nyumba o ni ya minche no mi sumo na lembulu na lo chuchu ya yes
that's it
no ni to anu ni ba schools ni nyina obi ate no mu nyina ma practice ni a be share bu akwa
waka yo
division for ya division ya dima di bronya mu ya biscuit division ya difference it was an interesting development
oh yes
omu try your culture eti ya doa minimum adoasa kete minimum sa drums ni nyina so minimum say drums no mu bon eni the traso dey ni nyina minimum ye yesu ya o school minimum so mu da so
Oh, school there.
Let's try and this woman if
and a career day. And a career day.
Common idea.
I'm gonna be contracted. Confirm. You see, and yes, some near.
Your culture there. We were born into it.
That's it.
Natural. I am a tribe. It's me who will be or they will be tribe. Bunanimtia and a hammer could be no choose in the tribe.
That's it.
Because I can't bano. I know in American countries, new go on who says US in here, France in here, Minuna came.
Give a day. Me teach him na me cop. Where he push. Me teach push my back.
Choose in the tribe. It's not by default. No, one.
Yeah.
And now. Ubit master son, ubit ma ko jijin krata am ya ka se onya Ghana.
Yeah.
But I find it's a bitter touch, Rastafarian.
Yeah.
Also you have the black identity.
That's it.
Oh, that's it.
Yeah.
Also I don't care where you come from. As long as you're a black man, you're an African.
Akoye or say that's passport yeah. Bigger.
It still doesn't make him a white man.
Adia manage here say even though so on Ghana passport in your no. And now Black Stars ne man Libya Borga. He couldn't hold it to Jina. I must say I cry a betty a bet you and I'm saying I was there on your Ghana Libya way. Oh say Okuta Dutch passport now.
This week we cost a lot of
now a bigger a much more better than PhD from KNUST Legonia the other day. And I'm so happy.
The bottom line is that no matter Adebia no be and choosing the tribe. So let's respect the Omuye Sana Ekosi. Che, you respect to Obia and the tribe. Because Obia no choosing the tribe. And now na make ko den krata kra me as if you know ko bo ma you still have the black identity.
Yes.
Rastaf ana wi no nyansa hom. Rastaf no nyom no ya na nyansa hom. Why say no bia no
enya the papa.
Why say no bia ka say
Rastaf no le
but say
we dey kwan fufuro bi
umusa honda.
Enya Rasta bia na num bi.
Dabi but
say enu no ha say no bia.
Enya the papa.
So if you listen to their lyrical content,
yes.
Then ask yourself,
their songs.
Yeah.
I say, I don't care where you come from, as long as you're a black man, you're an African. What I say, you have got the identity of an African. That black no paper, or Caribbeans, US, whatever. As long as you are African. And late in the 70s. Late in the 70s. Now, Otimi boss no Peter Touch mo ama for Eddie. And so the omuye nyina say, irrespective of our political differentiation, emfa won say bia obi ye MPP, obi ye NDC no. Yamma your culture and your tradition they don't hold you for to it because you can't change it. And so because of your proud Ashantia on cancer to provoke somebody or because or a proud friends and frafra and adagatia on can to provoke but on can to say or the ne tribe atum na or the ahwa ne in that honor. So let's commend us and any gamanche for what they are displaying ye bonfire say ye ko ye nimu no e betimi
sure
ajinja ye mabru na ya bana me hu say our tribal differences you know it's not war go Sudan see
yeah
and Sudanese war no follow now who ran into deeper you realize that the tribal dispensation in also mama war into minka tribalism is playing key in the current war
this week na many producer our newsroom na e didn't come about the South African elections and how tribal
the Zulu tribe
yes
Jacob Zuma look at the abscess our also
yes
what also abscess our mind the ANC couldn't form a majority
that's it
dropping from 50
tribal is serious change
Zulu they are the most tribalistic tribe on earth
and now Jacob Zuma court Zulu the distractions are the Zulu tribe. And you almost saying,
yes.
Powerful.
One person.
Tribalism. They still got that to say the Nanke and Cranabo Penny.
Yes.
It's part of their day within the week. No more there. They are very, very tribalistic. And no one was there. ọmọ support ọmọ na ọmọ to oh suffer is 64,000 that
yeah
you almost sound na they are very
mate enkoma ye di ya na ye nua ba ko te kokko so wo Sechia from plains or say this week the Holland national team ebo friendly match bi na omo strikers omo parade omo nyina no mkuta Ghanaian names
Memphis Depay
yes Memphis Depay and one Brobe
and a
Frimpong now yes one of them say go omo say go na de ombe ne so ombe sadwa adwa opa ombe sadwa na yes they still displayed the identity of an African. So enti yentu ankomo no so enka minyane si yanka de bia anka mepe no maja opipi you know Global Info Analytics I survey omo putu mampani dada John Dramani Mahama ahead with 54% and Dr. Smart Sapong ne team so I survey put the vice president Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia ahead of John Mahama say oye popular with 38.9% as against Mampenida John Dramani Mahama the 36.1% yedi enkomo kakra anopei ewo ho Raf ma memo achina memra ho na yen hyase anopei
yo dedi kan ye beda wase akwanya anopei bia memre da anopa mode mayen na ya chia ye tiefo ne ahwefo se omutie ye no hwe yen na omu hia ye mpo a ya the comments omu suggestions any enkuranhye semo a omo de mayen ne abasobo a sometimes omo de ka ho de mayen e wo show you so it tells me length ya sa platform we wo nti me de do me da pa na enya kwantuo yawo na nyese bia a emergency pa me ba hansan my de maybe
okay
enu nti na mani kan ha pa because nipa ti atitiro ne o kan semba akọ ba bi beduro wo ye mfom so ba akọ so ba bi de wo be kọ
na nze na so ya yesi
ma so ya pa
na no bwankran komo na obedi ye no wo de ebedi nkomo wo kire ho
etina no ba
na de also tiefo ne ti asem so ne se
on so
de also tiefo ne ti asem so konsuo so na bo ahina ye ne ba be try be ka o mani baje no do 10 minutes e kan ba bi ne wo mu a
that's it no correct
Nyankopon ya adoma Dwoada Ebenada Ukuada the next president of this country mampanyini foforo a wo ba Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia eba santimem
obe started abi Monday,
Tuesday, Wednesday. Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia eba santimem Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia as part of the regional tours. You know, this is the first time or here na say obe call the 16 regions in this country. You see, it has a certain connection with the reports about
surveys now
about
okay
because you see the end make us say it has connection with it and they say the NDC has a candidate wako elections for many years na yenimu know for many years until years so there number of people are not being common John Mahama people know him ye Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia afiwe mu first time oya na just obekọ regions ahoro ni nyinam na oni asofo mpanimfo akodi nkomo na oni ne ho akọkere wo mo oni ahemfo nananom akodi nkomo na oni ne ho akọkere wo mo oni muslimi nkramofo mpanimfo akosia na oni akodi na oni ne ho akọkere wo mo sariki ni mpanimfo ahoro a edede nipaku ahoro na oni ne ho akọkere wo mo owia na oni emabunu I war region ni mu no de ho akọkere o mu na wo de nsem ato wanim nti as part of ni tour no Nyankopon ya adoma e free Dwoada kosi ni Ukuada no oni asofo mpanifo wa santimam oni ahemfo ai wa santimam oni nkamofo mpanifo na wa youth connect oni mabunu aku ahoroɔ tailorfo seamstress hairdressers pragiafo taxi drivers students nurses teacher trainees all groups of young people ebia nkakra no mo hia no de nsem ato mo anim na mabunu no so abusa nasem and for the next 3 days we will say asantimai ebesisa be sheki kakra all because Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia we are expecting the next president my friend the MPP party for a market women womo do NPP the course ayenya the biao sorry obenya course obi di itinerary or di e be course no pa wi anwumre and I think say the kind of support and mobilization I betimi to support and receive the Vice President, Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Boamah. I think the region is prepared. The NPP party, from our DCs, from our members of parliament, polling station party executives, market women, people who are ready to receive Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Boamah. Na yamana kwaba. We advance welcome and major mabuni nyina name. Ede ama Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Boamah, the next president of this country. Ye tweno.
Now say survey no na dey we impact enya wo so ye den.
Yes, yaw. Survey idea na politicians
global info analytics eputi Mahama ahead of him.
I think they have
Dr. Sapon so eputi Boamah ahead of Mahama in terms of popularity.
Yes, it's we are politician na sa report surveys how ba offer survey no now they are behind the scenes quietly then you assess it, you analyze it and to
okay,
because adwuma obi aye ye nimdifo bi a watracha just say obi a wonje research nie wonje ngomasua nimde ni a na obi koye bibi say ya de beto nchen enti we the NPP NPP for report whether say for us, whether say against our candidate, against our party, against our government, for our party, ye sua bibi film near 2 na mo me Kaisa me original youth organizer Dr. Smart Sapon research we about all the candidates na buy no na media fa me ho no ya na nkoyi
okay
na nkoyi kra
okay.
You know what I did? I took the report then me tenase na me yes we betimi aye no kra we ntimi nya no kra de anya no kra no ma me nya ne say de then you build on your strength
okay
and no na boa me ma me winning
okay
we just be anko amfa report na ma anka bia
anka mo weakness
and my strength
okay.
Don't forget in 2020 elections Dr. Smart Sapon ya prediction or a report survey e predict say parliamentary seat ahoro a na ye one or parliament no na eso kwa akote na mo predicting see ebe win presidency but seat ahoro a na ye no eso beti honestly ye didi agro ye party na mfa serious because na ye
o predict say one here benya hang parliament e be den say MPP kra be form majority
okay no one
parliament
ati benya 139 look at it
yeah
eti ya mfa sa prediction na Dr. Smart Sapon here and ya mfa serious na we were caught unaware. Eti Makasa report me know about info
global info analytics and then Dr. Smart Sapon.
We have taken it in good faith, especially in Asante region. Yeah, all the thematic areas, you know, and I analyzing near her baby. You see, Dr. Smart Sapon, the final report, controversial statement I will make here. Who read the report in or see Dr. Mahmoud Boamah between Dr. Mahmoud Boamah and John Mahama or make a prediction between MPP and NDC or make a prediction.
Yes.
Or see NDC is popular than MPP.
Than the MPP.
NDC is popular than MPP.
Yes.
But between John Mahama and Dr. Mahmoud Boamah, Dr. Boamah is popular than John Mahama.
Yes.
Ghana for epe Dr. Mahmoud Boamah change John Mahama. Name MPP NDC there. NDC was so MPP. And this one, I said okay, first one. Said the MPP NDC popular than MPP. Name of their candidates in there. It makes a lot of sense.
I'll say the NDC is 38.8% more popular than the NPP, 34.5%.
Yes. Yes, I know.
Mujitum. Okay.
Me jutum. NDC are popular than MPP.
I didn't
say. You see, the MPP proud to come into power. There were a lot of promises. Many of them be you also are yentiminye. And the obigana near ofia. Bia bibi ko to chimaka kra MPP are buying all power and to we believe MPP na or the attach bia President Akufo-Addo MPP for President Akufo-Addo nemum se NDC ni power nto mo NDC din nemum se ni bufu MPP na oye na adwene se Akufo-Addo ni MPP mponi wa the next person na mekoto ama no ye hwan na afede adwene foforo aba ni tirim no akofa mampanyina da John Mahama ene Dr. Mahmoud Boamah Now why quiet? Why Dean what was senti empanifo emienu based on their track record, based on Omudes as vice president, any the obey mampanyin the obey vice president. Why na meet me the meshebrasa in some? I want Dr. Baumia el cost rotated Yaw Boamah. Okay. Because any or did say MPP bibi kosumpo na say oblemu MPP on MPP asemwa. E saba di tribu say na na do dan kwa Akufo-Addo on sign ko election ni bi 2024. Enti me bu afu MPP. Eni e hwan na me nkotoma no 2024 elections no e hwan ne hwan na ekọ. E mampanyi dada Yaw Boamah. Oni Dr. Mamudu Bawumia. But who yes are critical analysis between these two personalities at any point in time, their records, their achievement, the trust, confidence, ni GDR, Ghana for war massa company for me. Dr. Mamudu Bawumia and Yaw Boamah. Dr. Mamudu Bawumia will always be ahead of Yaw Boamah. Why? Okay, let's pick the two.
Now this you know.
I mean, now
this you know.
The Ghana ni babuna na say obi oti Ghana ha bebusa ne say o de mampanyini dada Yaw Boamah be di vice president asa be di mampanyini Dr. Mamudu Bawumia de watimi aya an so be di mate as vice president onya me di mampanyini enti so person ye critical analysis of the performance of the two days as vice president and yet Ghana ha so far Dr. Mamudu Bawumia ubeti ya kanema bi say digitalization passport DVLA scholarship ubeti ya agenda 111 ambulance ubeti ya kanema bebre a Ghana card a drone ubeti ya kanema bebre dia fani din ho a ono ankasa as vice president obo anema mpanyema ne ye do the same thing about Yaw Boamah as vice president one way ya untimi nya de ba kumpo enkasa Yaw Boamah ye vice president en oye de obetimi aka ne se obeye mampanyini en obeye but what Dr. Bawumia has never become is the president. Eti Ghana ni bia wo gidi esese ma Dr. Mamudu Bawumia akwanya no no so beye mampanyini a e ho ne ebetimi compare Dr. Mamudu Bawumia ene John Dramani Mahama in terms of their competence and beer. But as it start now, Ghana for Duduan Mabuno Duduanano, GDA, Dr. Mamudu Bawumia, and I think this report confirms my perception and beliefs and what we hear when we converse with Ghanaian people in this country.
Martinidin, the Safo Raphael Patrick were the Asante Regional Youth Organizer and of the MPP of the ruling New Patriotic Party and yet in Kanmamenko. Patrick Etia Honomo, also a communication team member of NDC, a president of a student affairs of the. Director of Student Affairs of the NDC. Director of Student Affairs. The whole Ghana. Yes, okay.
When I was young, I read the book Minister Without Portfolio.
American tour by Borga me never mind. So can the nature for Borga me never mind.
No correct.
Oh yeah, Borga me never mind. What's ever to me Django
and the Global Info Analytics projected Mahama ahead of Yaw Boamah. And Dr. Smasapon so soon in the team projected Boamah ahead of Mahama. What this surveys we mean in atum.
Well, me chabu safoni na yenda o masese abibi o mojibre na onidi jumedi na no credit nyame anum ni no my adwuma research and marketing service. I worked there for about 5 years. Adwuma ya research na ne.
Okay,
but me my practically involved your core grounds and the questionnaires go interview among for on the issue ya ba team na betrust normal analyze you use SPSS normal analyze number comma client me my interview sebi prostitute in na da okumasia
okay
smokers the project be about cigarettes na company person the new cigarette brand eba market to mo the sample eba so you go to the base cigarette no they will give you the cigarette we are now
new sample no
na asabeji feedback.
That
is how deep I am into research.
Okay.
For 5 years, I was doing research. I was working with into my role, baby. To be a researcher, I really understand research. But as a researcher, I understand research. I am practically my end for 5 years.
Okay.
It's what the research, but the first thing we ask is the methodology.
Yes, methodology.
How did you arrive at that?
Yeah.
Unfortunately, Professor Smasapon on born. Most of the media houses, when they call him, say,
oh, really?
Yes. I was watching TV3. I'm a friend, and they have to say it publicly, say, your friend on fire. The issue, yes. My media house.
Okay.
Probably because
you're finding out from him.
Probably because the backlash after that. And as a researcher, research. You know how the bank for trouble.
Yeah.
But it is up to you to defend once I'm now what can I say? Oh, be due to this and that, and then to the methodology never talk about thing. Ebia your opinion pool survey. Ebia who you sue. Case grade, who used to household selection grade. How did you arrive at your respondents? Who didn't you know researchers like some of us can easily see say I do in foot one as in foot no. But so your researcher, as I say research, confirming the feelings of society. Obi generally crowd no share to say oh, say research there, but any there we are say corner no. So Ghana high it. Now so I research. Now research they say Baamia Alaji, popular in Yaw Boamah. That's why people are insulting me all over. So you need to come and give better how you are because they are working. And yes, I know every Ghanaian. Alaji Baamia, flag bearer. Now dollar, 11.6. What does it? And I'll pay 16 cedis. A man, I can ask them, or your vice president, or your head of economic management team. And $1 now will differ 11 cedis. I cost 16 series as a flag bearer, and I'm Ghana for pen as a man. Doctor, Professor Smasapon, I am asking you.
And I'll pay the 14 cedis.
What's it?
And I'll pay the 14 cedis dollar no.
Dollar no baby, I'll be on the wall.
Mateo, dear Twasso.
But I'm quiet.
What are you Twasso?
No, 16.1.
What are you Twasso?
No, I just fake figure. I'm them.
Matthias,
I checked it before. Somebody presentation. I know it's a higher big platform, so I checked it.
Mpacho you.
Enti Alaji Baamia be a flag bearer na or the dollar na free 11 cedis cost this thing and I'm na popular in Yaw Boamah na Professor Smasapon. These are questions people are asking. Say dear na obey flag bearer why ya am all of a sudden who obey corner in Yaw Boamah. Have you seen any improvement in the economy? Inflation and I see 25%. And they assessor because about Alaji Baamia for the past 6 months in here, or by a flag bearer, and then must saying, oh, I come on with this. So what I say, I done into Amagana for ya, I've been for Friday, and things are already getting worse. And the other now, research in this period, dollar, ecosystem Ghana citizen, who research, I catch say, Ghana 4 penny pana or no, I say no, I'm a go for Jogun, go for Timmy Kanye Mama, and then my boy Dino. Ghana 4 penny something Yaw Boamah, the time not dollar 4.2. The research simply to me, I disagree strongly with it. It simply doesn't make sense to me. Ordinary, ordinary. Now compare now just opposed to the outcome of the research. It simply doesn't make sense, and that is why he's running away from interviews. He's my brother. Program. So I am so surprised, sir. He will put his reputation. No. Yes, school for all them you come technical university and I'm cooking university. Yes, school for me from say prof pa na research. Me say you know prof pa and why am the course I was receiving. People are becoming disappointed in him because we know him. We have been on him on campus.
Other than man the benefit of the doubt say onyama yen the methodology and
yes research about one thing.
Oh, say was it Wednesday?
Research about one thing.
About Wednesday.
Until as at now, I say, how did you arrive at your conclusion? Oh yeah, arrive.
So addressing media no or bobo so.
Senior, you see, Real Madrid and Kotoko Bobo. Now, boy, I'm also acquire research. Research in Kotoko Real Madrid 10 naira. Now we are also acquire methodology. And the Bible defend this accession and they want the society to accept. and come on, me do it. You see, research in there. On our aqua research, but research in the bar, it should reflect. It as a reflected the old society. Kaka. Ultimate can't say Ghana higher tier. And go for your Tracy, and your mess say, I'm on for be a team businessman or be a business you go, or more crackers, and I'll pay will be the receipt to be sending me. So me read it, or cry dear Bakuba. Taxes goes over 23 taxes. Say COVID-19 tax no cry, SIO2. And you now to acquire research in this period, and research no results, and they say, Yaw Boamah is popular. That is why on social media, they are on social media. People are ridiculing him and they are attacking him. It is sad because I know his competency and whom he is. But for him to go and put up this idea way to come and savage presidential candidate, how many months? Yeah, no, Blackbear. So I'm say by the end of June. The beauty said last month by one by the end of May. Why hire we out here one? The beauty said that Randy mate want me. Randy mate want me. And see, dear Ben, why you see, I want people to be real. But I want for command of president. Dear Ben, I like Boamah. I like Boamah. Money who. Hey, really? About Masia, I want to who are that better. I'm catching. I like Boamah or call her. Call training college. Okay. Or campaign message. I would call allowance. And see, and Kaoko your team should be even you can make more politics. Should even brief you as the current situation of allowance. As a vice president and head of economic management team, a young girl, student, et me Jaho Busa say, Papa, allowance now would have been Jaho. Me by school 3 years in here. Next week, me try to finalize us. And the vice president was confused. Well, he doesn't even know what is happening in the country. I don't know what the population of Mama. I mean, sometimes if you are doing research, let your research be realistic. This is time now, students in Busan on what answer for the man. So the vice president and the head of the company only pass allowance 3 years in the MTI. My goodness. And we'll see another man popular. That public ridicule. How people ridiculed him. So I did not acquire any poster. He doesn't even understand the economy. Say economy about me when him the echo. See MTI allowance 3 years. He was confused when the question was thrown to him. Okosia asofo odini come on now say oh asofo no kra na buy say more incentive na asole na say budget tax no enkomo abawiem kofo so yen tax on dey say on believe say e asole no tax in which me I agree owi e no so no kra do believe say more incentive asofo no kabe kra bosu be yentu o kan ade and I no so be ho kroma. I'm talking about within this period that Professor Masapo so any research no the sequence of events and I see about the brand Boamah was say popular no Ghana for the one so within that period o si asofo ni we on asofo ni di nkomo no and I okoka say oba on betumi kra mo incentive na just say in the national no motu asofo kan ade and so buy amount for twabo na a vice president, a presidential candidate, he came out and said he was joking. My goodness. Yaw Boamah. He was joking and it came from his mouth. I'm for say, hey, we don't need a joker as a president. So within this period now, what we confirm say he's a joker no, and why popular than your mama? I mean, Professor Masapo, come on. So within this 5-6 months, look at any Yaw Boamah. Also make a one kaso. Of course, school no kuku no wenu mase. Of course, na akrabe busa the question. No, I confused. Osia asofo was make Yamoka. Your black say your money fire. No, I bet you I was joking. Admittedly, until next time better show so. That's a okay Yaw Boamah say no busa say are you talking about the joker? Untimi ka say me retract. There be joker there. The nipa na kasa ba admit say he jokes. Yeah, there be ye di dwumai ye wo enwum bi kura wo toto ye de gigi ye nia like that's the other side of adwuma no. It doesn't make you a joker na me. Oh no, you see the man one can say he was joking. There be who say jokingly one can say he was joking. No, I am asking Wankasa he was joking.
Jokingly.
Oh, senior.
Debbie,
I was joking. Wankasa.
But it doesn't make
Obia Ojoku. Your friend is saying. You see sometimes I mean, where's Obi na cartoon the man himself, what can say? I'm for so to be of worker. And also Debbie, I was joking. And I'm saying, so and Okasa.
But any profession you can't describe
so at the time
what is within some few seconds he chipped something in what you say. But when continuously a professional you can be described as senior canon.
I have the right to say so he was joking. And to so about Chem said that this thing I was not joking. Because I can't in the first place. Obi accepting. So what can say Oba support to us for? I'm a so for no winning in our bomb on some. I be baby to us of worker. Then he came back and said, oh, I was joking. And they said, Okasa necessary. Number both punitia. Make us oh no. I think he was joking. Am I being unfair to him? No, I am asking you, am I being unfair to him? I'm only referring to how sometimes he jokes. Into a case, I'm not making me who say a joker. I've not said anything wrong.
Okay.
Unless I know but Musa would coming. Where I was not joking, I was serious. So now when he speaks, people now are in between whether to accept it as a joke or to accept it as a real talk. And no what they are popular Don Mahamanana.
Mate.
So in all this research, I disagree strongly. It simply does not reflect the Ghana we are living in. And the Ghana higher, to say the Ghana to see and then the boy bra. Okay. And I disagree strongly with Prof.
Mate.
With the research, and I'm first to be saying, "No credit that." In this context, my mom sequence of event, this period, and Niama, why you Niama Atotono? I'm a popular than John Mahama. Okay. And no Pierre baby, I'm on for $1 like 4.2. One unemployment is 7%, and then 14%. $1. 4.2 and then 16 cities. Sir, and your man amount for compare in this period. Mate. There's no way I like to make a popular than Doma. They
did a Patrick Chia, a communication team member of the NDC. Mame encore a doc on Mona Menen in Chosun Free doc. Surveys immune, yen common.
Amedase. May very brief. Producer name Casa and Rano. I think say you go into the 2024 general elections. SOMPA political decks. You be in-depth analysis about the polls, how opinion polls influence elections. In the time past, opinion polls were Yayen or My Ghana. Any other area say Amayina impact inyaye and I said the final outcome at the buy. Now, yenya emra society yekoto abane de opinion polls ebe to aso eden aba bebre inti Ghana fu nyina yem prepare ho na
for such polls and surveys among for predictions and
we lead we dey say na eko inti yenya hobo
bi kura abekwa to constituencies are predicting
very well
which MP or winning constituency we na
ye kura mpokra haso as part of your strategy ya kase ye be share profile selected constituencies and some yeden ewo ho ya guide political opinions na ye ka political survey or opinion polls e dey akra ene den menuamo aye politics na wie ye dey ye be ye nkyerɛkyerɛ system anase aye anamotuo bi a woma wo mu wo abato ho nimdeɛ e dey je timamufo adwene emo mu hunu se aba anase dwumadie bi eda obi anim no sei na nipa what oman ni mu adwene yeden eye wo mu yeden efa you say nya basis understanding of this whole opinion pool so anopay anase na otwi mu eno na generate na ye ntias nti e ka opinion pool so ye nhwehwemu bi a dwumakuo bi anase nipa bi ayi omu ho asio so mu ye nhwehwemu afa bibi ho na this time around about 2024 elections say na Ghana for adwene esi yi omu fa abato na ye kwa akoto na ede e kwa na man very interesting say we obi opinion polls and nhwehwemu ama na dey say one of the key benefits about opinion polls say boa influence votes say opinion polls e sha say ba na sha wo political party e fa ho say ulusu no yi ahweye because say ashasi eba we win no eboa ma nipa bebere kura na nka bia wo ntoma sa party no obawe no esesa wo madwene and me are very happy anopay Raf agiatum ayusu ono ane election okoye as a case study emra ye opinion post ro hu se no post no bebere ho no ma nyeden in favor no into a pick resource no and answer the method a call fast arrival about that conclusion no and o ya analysis ye den e wo ho and o tu ho anamo enti eboa ne ma the said negative perception nanka public na as o post no e de bae no otimi sesa no enti post no enhye da nya de a e ya de boni so much depending on any awo anyhow we see eden ehwe niema enti that is one of the major benefits about opinion enti it helps shapes opinions about how yebesi atoaba. Another benefit ne say yes it reduces elitism e ka elite ya omomu osoro ya wote studio ha wanya kafa wadwen be yo say unim de ekoso o my Ghana mu nyina.
That's it.
Because I had just a small four corner bin and your team. Enti yete ha ne bie yan kwayan koma yebedi ni ha no. Ya anya careful ye be fa ne say represent the general view of Ghana for nyina. Opinion polls empempi ya na ekwa abonten ma obi o share kwa bi ase a enkamenu mienu yenya access to that person no. Ye gidi say sankofo dwumadie no ekwa kofa wo mu. Enti enam say a capture wide opinions no enya afa nipa na wo mu woso na ye from the elite class no nko views e ma yenya the general views of the whole Ghanaians. Then it also helps in the strategic voting. Just as I said, Raf who the outcome of nedie no was no mean tenase strategically or say den etu ho anamo na sunsun sanso den eboan. There are negative aspect of opinion polls and one of them and meka briefly bibi efeno bandwagon effect. Bandwagon effect. So why are careful and it goes to both political party. Opinion polls so ebe nyina say political party be area near there was that likelihood say no me candidate na me koto ama ne kra no no ehwehwemu a kire say obeden obelusu entimi ha me ho enkodi kanesen aba no so kra na me yeden me nkonkoto ana say me kwa koto ama obi na me record be say aba me to ye wo yeden alusu obi wo ha since 1992 onto aba ma obi ma ni lusu da ye wonkofo bebre wo system ni mu enti wo tenase na ohwe pusu no say no aha say na ekwa obekọ no akoto ne de eden e support enti saa de we eso eye one of the negative effects ya o your political party a esesa we den wo hwe ho ye wo hwe ni ye na otu ho anamo because eba abonten about the negative effect na no na nipa bebre e fom ho adwen ma men ka ho say opinion polls and non chrese yakase obi lead no chrese on the very elections. There are several polls where yaye no my Ghana any wiase nyina na the end product no ankosi baby ana esese ye den ye kon do na polls ni nyina chese bia candidate A ana candidate B be den e be win ba ye wie ye no enye sa na koye den e koye. There are several instances uko oman bi ti say US ya after 2016 election, no be any say Hillary Clinton and the Biden.
Yeah, Hillary Clinton.
All the opinion polls was showing to the effect that Maame no be Clinton yere ana ebe unfortunately, and there are several instances. Say me do my Ghana there ba. I didn't know say be a politics and answer me intimation na me downloading 2012 general elections. As at December 3rd, 2012, almost all the major opinion polls here no my Ghana move was pointing towards the fact that Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo ebe win the general elections.
Yes.
All the polls intina medical catcher for enche yeba be project all the opinion polls. One of the opinion polls you can answer survey come here no na Ekosfio Gabra ne Babema international organization omunyina prediction was that Nana Addo was going to win. Eventually it turned out say yes aneden that year enti say ebana say wudi kan yes wudi kan na nche
wudi kan court na woni
ibem enti the American say the polls will start coming. Ghanaians will continue to make an informed decision and by the end of the day we will wait and see the final outcome. To be specific, Professor Smart Abbey, menine share Sapon, menine share our radio station so number of times, and he's a very fantastic gentleman. And you pull now menine ya adwene on several of them. Say ufano tra nasa uye very emotional. To say they are no pay Patrick Junior Patrick aye emotional na you be wrong. Yow the man asem no eye no crack. Me jitum say
kwambiso e no kre no
kwambiso e no kre ne say washa the last 1 month ni Yewura Mahama enche danye campaign
hu say
hu no wo public space bebre it is a wo be kai am even men ko hono yes said controversy beba the last 1 month wo share ya minimum say me follow ne kaka wo tu kwa ko UK Patrick Meboa on the ground no on the ground no you and I don't have
okay.
And on the ground no onye den oni ho but say Patrick Ralph ebetimi aboya ni a minim say at least the last 1 month Yewura Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia wa come more than 8 regions.
See, this is the 16th regional Oba
last one
any Ashanti region.
There was that there was that likelihood say,
because of the registration exercise. Okay.
Okay. But that's it. For me, I'm more flawed. Because of registration in Mahama is suspended.
Yes, national organizer of the NDC. We are told to say
and I'm saying Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia and then names all the social media space. There was that likelihood say post na nasa survey now be no a best skew towards that personality. Now Yewura Dr. Yewura Mahama swaye den aba abonten a say washa say den washa say kan ho eye niam ni bebre. Let's wait and see. But when you do a detailed analysis of this whole survey now a bit it makes it a bit difficult because NDC is a preferred political party according to Prof. How come a preferred political party candidate is not a preferred candidate? It could be possible simply because of analysis here. Ralph but where I disagree with Ralph, Edu baby na say cut the positive side of Yewura Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Mamen stated this on record. Say debate we say SOMPA for we just open it. Both candidates as a vice president. In terms of economic management, Maka say between the year 2009 up to 2012, Ghana's economy recorded one of the highest growth across the whole group, and it was under Dr. Mahama,
former president Mahama as vice president,
as a head of economic management team. The me person me ended the man say accepted that responsibility. Say the current economic hardship. We should global info analytics. Fish for Nina according to West Africa country rep. Say the hardship in the economy is influencing a lot of vote towards John Mahama. I wonder how the two personality, when you want to compare, now innovative ideas here, the current vice president, now can know you. In the same vein, I keep saying, the time Ghana economy now grow under the Fourth Republic was under Professor Mills and John Dramani Mahama.
Okay.
The economy grew over 14%.
Okay.
Within the same space, the moment here, the pa as an economy was also under the current vice president, Dr. Yaw Boamah, as the current vice president. And so what can project here? For me, about is about economy. That is all that I know. About is about economy. Senina Koya, and to see a way near there. Probably you better Mahama 4 years as a president, Ephraim. Then we pick them as a vice president.
Okay.
What each of them do, it will help us to make an informed idea. Na argument,
Then the Prince Obria Boa, Doctor and Yetino and came.
Mame, correction, I respect his opinion that Okasa.
We mamu 4
two crown Doctor will be I respect his opinion. Patrick. Me respect Doctor opinion so much, but I am from so I'm correcting. The Okan is here, he's wrong.
Economic growth, no.
Let me quote Dr. Kwabredu for.
Okay.
When John Mahama primaries, or make his statement, but say Mahama wasn't part of Economic Advisory Council. NDC never
during
primaries,
Okay. During time, Professor Mills, president.
NDC never had EMT. EMT is the creation of the MPP.
Economic management team.
NDC. What they had was Economic Advisory Council. Economic Advisory Council.
NDC, yes. Economic Advisory.
It was an advisory council to the president. Comrade Dufour statement in the way November 4th, 2022. A former finance minister, Dr. Comrade Dufour, has downplayed claims that
this is your mama, former president Mahama and the vice president.
And finance minister was Comrade Dufour.
Yes, the finance minister was Comrade Dufour. Yes.
Members of the advisory council. Let me help you. There are records. Go to Google. Yeah, academic work. Google and find out. Google is there for everybody. A former finance minister, Dr. Comrade Dufour, has downplayed claims that the economic achievements recorded under the Mills presidency were under the leadership of John Mahama as head of the economic management team. According to him, the late president set up an economic advisory council which took major decisions on the economy, which did not include the then vice president, John Dramani Mahama. This is a statement, a public record from Dr. Comrade Dufour, the former finance minister between 2009 and 2012. John Mahama wasn't part of the advisory council. There was no economic management team. So why do you rate or give the successes of Atamils to John Mahama, who wasn't part of the advisory committee? And I'm quoting Dr. Comrade Dufour.
He was the vice president then.
I am quoting Dr. Comrade Dufour.
Okay.
So even on the economy, what is an economy? John Mahama time as president, economy and one team in teacher training allowance.
No,
Doc, you're making an intervention. I'm speaking. Sorry. Economy and one team in teacher training allowance. Economy and one team in nursing training allowance. Economy and a dum so. Economy and a Santimaya coin, Ghana coin in a tutu. Economy and one team in your free SHS. What is an economy? Economy a day. Economy amosi enye under Joma and Nanado Danko Kufuado. Teacher training allowance. Nursing training allowance. Free SHS. Not Joma time anymore. Dum so ni ho. Eya kwan. Kumasini asantemaya kwan. Me say akabia odotobiri nkwa. Kwende kokwabre kohwe. Where infrastructure awuro ekoso. What is an economy?
Mate.
We concede, doctor. We concede. Say Ghana may heaven. But there are a lot of additional that Nana Dranko for them. Lastly, Dr. Boamah never said or a joker. Or say he jokingly said, Mona Moka say, I saw for here. you should come and pay tax.
There has been a suggestion, yes.
There's a debate coming from the NDC. We anti-church. And I won't say, so I'm going to your tax. And Dr. Boamah say, I saw any for no motivation. Looking at them, and I tell them,
Debbie,
you are intelligent. And I think you have to withdraw. And you are one idea.
Oh, Debbie, Mr. Ralph,
info analyst,
Mr. Ralph, yeah, to us.
I've never
the microphone off. The microphone off.
I've only disagreed and questioned how he arrived at his conclusion. And Namaya was saying, I can never insult him. And I'm friendship to
the microphone off. 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 The microphone off.
That's it. I sorry no. I didn't think I enjoy and it is not true. Now, what's say? Who throw challenge? One or two challenge.